Hello. Welcome to the technical analysis of Netflix. Netflix is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels. Today, the stock is gained by 2.3%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. There is a short-term bounce above the 9-day EMA, but price is still below the 50 and 200-day EMAs, keeping the bigger picture cautious. There is an upward gap between $78.12 and $79.25 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 7.6% pullback from current levels. Price has pushed above the falling short-term resistance zone near $79.62. As long as it holds above this band, a reversal of the prior short-term downtrend is in play. A close back below would signal that sellers are regaining control. Mid-term resistance is clustered near 97.33. Between the midterm and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $13.12. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 2 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, volume above 120% of the 20-day average, and prior high cleared. EMA 50 reclaimed, still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 39 to 73 sessions, or roughly 11.2 weeks. Invalidation sits near $75.01 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. In a similar MACD cycle between October 18th and December 10th, the price saw an increase of around 19.6%. From a long-term perspective, price is currently trading below the long-term support zone, which is a warning signal for the broader trend. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has broken above the short-term channel, signaling firm bullish momentum. If this breakout can hold, a reasonable upside projection sits near $82.5. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%, about 113.21 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near about 117.68 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 141.35, Fib 1.27, and then 150.55. Technical analysis update. Looking at Netflix today, conditions are reading as neutral overall. Price is currently below the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above $97.33. A daily close above $97.33 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $75.01. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 55.9, and MACD is above its signal line, pointing to building strength in the current swing. Volume is elevated versus its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is starting to expand. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $85.60, support near $83.28, a midterm target around $97.33. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $144. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $144 as the long-term measured move objective, $166 as a 1.618 extension, $201 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Netflix. The most recent headline is Netflix stock, NFLX, jumps after streaming giant walks away from Warner Bros. 1WD deal. Netflix stock price today, NFLX rises as White House trip and Paramount bid keep Warner deal on edge. Tech stock squared 16 hours ago. Graceful exit. Netflix stock, NASDAQ, NFLX surges as deal doubts emerge. Tip ranks 36 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Netflix. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.